Is visible. Okay. Everyone take out. Everyone already open book. Now, in online, offline both. Is there any doubt in exercise 8C? 8C? Yes. Question number 10. 10 क्या होता है? Question number 10. Okay. And in online, is there any doubt in exercise 8C? How many students are there in online? How many students? 3. Good. Now see question number 10. Let P is equal to a square minus b square plus 2ab. Q is equal to a square plus 4b square minus 6ab. R is equal to b square plus 6. S is equal to a square minus 4ab. And T is equal to minus 2a square plus b square minus ab plus a. Just close the door. तो डोर बंद कर दो. Now tell me what is the problem in this question. The value for P is a square minus b square plus 2ab, Q is equal to this, R is equal to this, and S and T is equal to this. So the question is, ये क्या बड़ा दिखाई दे रहा था तुम्हें साइज में? ऐसा ही लग रहा है मुझे तो. ऐसा ही लग रहा है जी. So you have to find P plus Q plus R plus S minus T. So tell me the problem. क्या problem आ रहा था तुम्हें? Oh, you are not able to understand the question. वाह, कमाल है जी. ए समझ आया? ए समझ नहीं आया तुम्हें? बी समझ आया? बी समझ आया? बी सी डी समझ नहीं आता? बोलो बोलो. चिराग, क्या पी समझ नहीं आता? व्हाट इज पी, व्हाट इज क्यू, व्हाट इज आर, व्हाट इज एस, व्हाट इज टी? कौन है क्लास में जिसको समझ नहीं आता? चिराग ये सिर्फ एक. सो द जस्ट कीप क्वाइट. So P is equal to a square minus b square plus 2ab plus this. And now see P is here. Q is what? A square plus 4b square minus 6ab. And R is what? B square plus 6. S is what? A square minus 4ab. So इतना. इनको प्लस कर सकते हैं. दिस इज बेसिकली 0. कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पर, कोई प्रॉब्लम? So now 6 is alone, we can write it 6 here. So it's plus 2ab minus 6a or minus this. So minus 6 and minus 4 is आंसर। सबको बोलना है, कुछ सो रहा है तो मुझे बता दो, जिसको नींद आ रही है। एवरीवन से minus 6 minus 4 is now minus 10 plus 2 is, so the answer is minus 8ab. Chirag, now see, this is cancel here, minus b square plus b square, so what is here? 4b square. Now see, 1 2 3, this is 3a square. So the product of PQRS is this, 3a square plus 4b square minus 8ab plus 6. Now what is T? Written here. So you can write minus, then minus 2a square plus b square minus ab plus a. Okay? Sit down please, खड़े नहीं रहना है। इतना लिख लिया सबने? Now you last one. What we what we have to do the next? What we have to do the next? Now see, I already find this p plus q plus r plus s, that is 3a square plus 4b square minus 8ab plus 6, and p is equal to minus 2a square plus b square minus ab plus a. Then what we have to next? क्या करना है इसके बाद हमें? अगला स्टेप क्या होगा? You stand up and tell me what is the next step. Don't tell me the solution, just tell me what we have to do. I don't want solution, I just want कि next हम क्या करेंगे. हाथ खड़ा करो जिसको पता चल रहा है कि क्या करेंगे. इस लाइन में कोई भी नहीं है जिसको पता है कि यहाँ क्या करेंगे. क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? हाँ, अभिषेक. सो कल हमने पढ़ा है. यू आर इन द क्लास yesterday, you were in the class ना, sorry, in yesterday class थे ना. तो तुम्हें पता है क्या किया था इसके बाद हमने? किसको नहीं पता है? किसको नहीं पता वो हाथ खड़ा करो. तुम्हें नहीं पता? Okay, good. You also? You know? Tell me what we have to do. मुझे solution नहीं सुनना. I don't want a solution. Sit down please. तुम्हारी बारी तो खत्म. तुम्हारी खत्म. बैठो. You. Very nice. The next step is we have to remove the bracket. And after removing the bracket, what we have to do? इसके बाद क्या करेंगे? समझ आया क्या करना है? Just remove the bracket. And while removing the bracket, here is a minus sign outside the bracket. So you can multiply this minus with all the terms. So there is a sign change in the second part. Yes? Clear? सुन रहे हो? So we have to remove the bracket. If we remove the bracket, the sign will be changed. And then yes? Sir, नीचे पैर ऊपर करो. You just do like this. Sir, नीचे पैर ऊपर. मैं तुमसे पूछ ही नहीं रहा हूं ना, मैंने तो वो तो बोल ही दिया, वी विल चेंज द साइन while removing the bracket. When we remove the bracket, the sign will change. And after that, what is the step? नहीं समझ में आया सर नीचे पैर ऊपर करने का मतलब? You have to arrange like terms. Sit down. Then after that, you have to arrange like terms and then solve. Because we are not able to solve 3a square plus 4b square. Is it be possible, Sneha? What is the answer for 3a square plus 4b square? It is the same. कितना कंफ्यूजन है तुम्हारे अंदर? Just take it out, बाहर निकालो उसको. If it is 3a square plus 4b square, it is unlike. If it is unlike, we are not able to solve it. And the answer will be the same, 3a square plus 4b square. So after removing the bracket and changing the sign, we have to collect like terms. 3a square, 3a, ये 2a square के साथ ही solve हो सकता है. Yes? So now everyone can solve now. अभी जल्दी से, in 1 minute only. Sit down, please. Don't stand up. Everyone in the online class also solve this. Don't, sir. Everyone solve this by your own. First open the bracket, then while removing the bracket, you can change the sign. And please take care about, please take care while changing the sign. If it is negative, it is positive. Positive, negative, just opposite. Okay. After that, you can arrange it in a like term and solve. Just in 1 minute. इसके बाद भी जिसको समझ नहीं आ रहा है वो पूछ सकता है. डू इट फास्ट. अभी तक एक शब्द नहीं लिखा. लिखो, जल्दी से लिखो, एक शब्द मतलब. दिस द आंसर. ये ए कहाँ गया? ये तो ए है, तुम एक्स लिख रहे हो. Question number 10 is here. Mistake. What is this? ये क्या है ये? 1. हाँ, गुड. और मुझे दिखाओ मत, पहले से क्या हुआ था, क्या देखोगे? So now it is clear, friends. चिराग, हाँ, अभी भी कोई डाउट है? पक्का? चलो, do it fast. In online class, anyone has any doubt? तुम्हें डाउट है? Is there anyone in class? किसी को डाउट है? Everyone clear? Yes, स्नेहा? क्या हुआ? डाउट है? पक्का? Can I rub now? अब इसे मैं मिटा सकता हूँ? और जिनका कंप्लीट हो गया, इट्स गुड. और जिनका नहीं हुआ है, दे कैन कंप्लीट बाय ओन. So the next doubt. If doubt is not here, I will change the exercise. Anyone online has any doubt in exercise 8C? No. You, Sneha, have doubt? Any doubt? No. You? You have? Which question? Question number 3. Same thing. You are doing like this. Now अभी क्या कर रहे हो? यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. You have to remove the bracket. You have in question number 3. See, there is 3 expressions, and when you remove the comma, you put the positive sign there because we have to add in this question. Okay. and then we collect the like terms, clear, and then solve. कोई इसका कोई नया तरीका, there is no other way. If you are not able to collect the like term, then there is a problem. Yes, रिया, समझ गए? करने की कोशिश करो, फिर भी नहीं कर पाओगे तो फिर से पूछ लेना. Yes, yes. Question number? Yes. Just a moment. Yes, tell me which question? Question number 17. Okay. You? 15. Now the question number 15 is, first I solve the 15. मैं solve नहीं करूँगा, I just tell you. Listen it carefully. Subtract the sum of, see, question is subtract the sum of one expression and second expression from the sum of yes, suppose we write A, B, C and D here. Okay. So now if there is a doubt, you can, why don't you change the question like this? This is the expression A, expression B, expression C and D. There is 4 expressions. So now you see, subtract the sum of first 2 from the sum of second 2. So it means that we have to do like this. Clear everyone? Exactly clear? Anyone? The question number 15 is subtract the subtract the sum of 2 expressions from the sum of second 2 expressions. For this we can do like this, first we add the last 2 and then first 2 and subtract it together. While doing the subtraction you can use the bracket please, because there is a sign change in the second part. So it is very much necessary. First you can remove the bracket, then arrange the like terms and then solve it. You will get your answer. Is that clear? Question number 17 तो कल ही बताया था. किसने पूछा? Tell me your name. किसने पूछा था? बोलो तो सही, नाम तो बताओ. Question number 17 कल भी बताया था, आज भी बता रहा हूं. We have to subtract 1 minus 2x minus 3y minus 4. So it will be 1 minus 2x plus 3x plus 4. Now you see the sign change here. यहाँ माइनस साइन है, क्या साइन चेंज किधर देख रहे हो? Just see here only. Now here is a minus sign. It will be minus 2x plus 3x plus 4. And now 1 plus 4 is 5. Minus 2x plus 3y is the answer. Please copy it fast. Copy it fast. Now everyone see in exercise 8D, question number 16. किसी को कोई डाउट है इसमें? हाँ? डाउट? Yes, sit straight. सीधा बैठो. Copied? Now Chirag, read the question number 16 from the exercise 8D. Question number 16. I just want to tell you about the bar. Yes, read the question please. अब ऐसे सिर्फ ब्रैकेट बोलोगे तो क्या चलेगा? It is a square bracket. Now everyone see. It is a square bracket. Write down in your copy. And if this is curly bracket. CURLY curly bracket. And the last one is this. This is a simple bracket. This is a square bracket. This is curly bracket, and then the last one is the simple bracket. Yes. So please sit down. मैं खुद ही लिखता हूँ question. So, curly. Second curly bracket. Okay, now the question is 2a minus 4b in square bracket, then curly bracket 4a minus 3b minus 2a plus 2b. Yes, and now there is a bar on 2a and 2b. तो ये बार का क्या मतलब होता है? अच्छा, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सॉल्व दैट. ओके, तो क्या करेंगे? सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? इट इज नॉट अ लाइक टर्म, तो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? माइनस 2a प्लस 2b को क्या लिखेंगे? So you have doubt in this question? You just stand up. खड़े हो जाओ. If you don't have doubt, just say what we have to do for this. What? तो बार का क्या होगा? What is the use of bar? क्या हुआ बार? हाँ? So मतलब हम इसको ये 3b minus 2a plus 2b लिख दें तो हो गया. Anyone in online? Is it right? Anyone? Chirag? Astha, are you there in class or not? Astha is not there. How many students? 3, 4. Just 2 students in online class. Huh? Yes? Anyone? No? You? 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 Yes? Yes? This is right or not? Right? So what is the use of bar in this question? Okay, just I give you 1 minute. Everyone solve this without bar. Just solve. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. What is the answer? Please check the answer from back. Is it right or wrong? What happened? Wrong or right? Then? In this we have to change the sign. I want everyone do and find out your solution by your own, because this is a revision और पहले से करके नहीं आए तुम. Now you can do. You can start. किसने कर लिया इसमें? हाँ. Now you can you. You change the sign or not? Here you can change the sign or not? Then your answer is right. This is 5b, 5b. Where is 5b? Our answer is right. Our answer is right. If it is 5, if it is 3b and plus 2b, it will be. But your answer is minus and now minus 1b. How? First, you can do just like this, and second, you can change the sign and do. Means you can do this first and then 2a minus 4b minus 4a minus bracket 3b plus 2a minus 2b. Okay. Now this is your homework. Everyone must do with 2. First you can do from here, from like this, from this. Okay. Okay, bye bye. Now the class is over.